we are going to discuss about classification of organic compounds. Organic compound. Organic compounds. Classification of organic compounds. The organic chemistry is catenated carbon compound. Carbon compound தான் the organic compounds. The classification of organic compounds வந்து two types இருக்கு. The first one acyclic or open chain compound. Open chain compounds. Open chain compounds or cyclic or closed chain compound. Cyclic or closed chain compound. Closed chain compounds. Okay, organic compounds are classified into two types: acyclic or open chain compound, cyclic or closed chain compound. Cyclic or closed chain compounds. Yeah, the open chain compounds classified into two types. Open chain compounds are classified into two types. One is saturated compound. Saturated. Another one is unsaturated. Unsaturated compounds. Okay, the cyclic compound or closed chain compounds are classified into two types. One is carbocyclic, another heterocyclic. Carbocyclic, that is heterocyclic compound. Carbocyclic compounds or heterocyclic compounds. Okay, heterocyclic compounds. Carbocyclic compounds are classified into two types. What is it? Carbocyclic compounds are classified into two types. One is alicyclic compounds. Another one is aromatic compounds. Okay, again, organic compounds are classified into two types: acyclic or cyclic compounds. Open chain compounds, another name, are classified into two types: saturated, unsaturated compounds. Cyclic or closed chain compounds are classified into carbocyclic compounds or heterocyclic compounds. Carbocyclic compounds are classified into two types: alicyclic compound, another one is aromatic compounds. The first one, open chain compound, acyclic compounds, meaning that open chain compounds are acyclic compounds. Acyclic compounds. What is means that these are compounds in which carbon atoms are linked to each other in linear form. Carbon atoms are linked to each other in linear pattern. That is linear patterns. Okay, carbon atoms are linked to each other in linear pattern. Linear or branched pattern. Linear pattern. Okay, linear patterns to form the chain compounds. That is open chain compounds. Yeah, cyclic compounds. The carbon atoms are linked to each other in linear form, sometime or branched form, or form of chain compound produce open chain compound or acyclic compounds. Open chain compounds or acyclic compounds. Yeah. Open chain compounds. Yeah, open chain compounds means a carbon atom are linked to the carbon valency 4. Okay, hydrogen. Valency 4. Okay, how many bond here? 2. So 2 hydrogen film. Here 2 hydrogen. Here 1 bond, 3 hydrogens. So that is compound names is butane. 4 carbon இருக்குது butane. How to write this formula? CH3 CH2 CH2 CH3 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 CH2 CH2 CH3. So carbon the bond between the carbon atoms. So carbon atoms linked by the single atom. The single atoms, that is a saturated compound. The carbon atoms are linked by single bond, that is a saturated compound. Carbon valency 4, 1s2, 2s2, 2p2, that is carbon atomic number 6. This is outermost shell's valency 4. Carbon is bonded with 4 neighbor atoms. I means covalent bond create பண்ணக்கூடிய. So 1 bond, 2, 3, 4. 3 hydrogen, another 1 carbon. 2 hydrogen, 2 carbon atoms. So each carbon having carbon valency 4. CH3 bond, CH2 bond, CH2 bond, CH3. Okay. CH3 na single bond, 2 na rendu bond 2. Okay. Saturated compound. All carbon atoms in the chain are connected by single bond. All the carbon atom in the chains are connected by single bond. Single bond means saturated compound. Saturated compound. What is saturated compound? This is only saturated compounds. The carbon atoms are connected. All the carbon atoms are connected by single bond. This is a saturated compound. Saturated compound. Yeah, propane. What is in propane? 3 carbon. 1, 2, 3. 3 carbon na propane. 4 carbon na butane. Okay. Propane. What is this? Carbon atoms are connected by single bond. Saturated or unsaturated? This is saturated. Yeah. Carbon valency 4. How many bond here? 1. So 1 hydrogen, 2, 3 hydrogen. I mean CH3. So 2 hydrogen. So 2 bond. So 2 hydrogens. So CH2. Here 1 bond. So CH3. Yeah, this is propane. How to write this formula? CH3, CH2, CH3. Carbon atoms are all carbon atom connected by single bond, that is saturated compound. If the all carbon atom in the chains are connected by the single bond, is called a saturated compound. What is saturated compound? The all carbon atom in the compounds are connected by the single bond. That is a saturated compound. What is open chain compounds? Or carbon atoms are linked to each other in linear form, linear pattern. That is open chain compound. Okay. Carbon atoms linked by one or more double bond. Carbon atoms double bonds are exist. The one or more double bond, or double bond or a triple bond exists between the carbon atom any one place. So here 2. It is unsaturated compound. Carbon atoms here double bond. Carbon atoms are connected by double bond. So in a single bond, at least one double bond in the way unsaturated compound. Double bond or triple bond. So C triple bond any one place. The double bond or triple bond exists between the any carbon atoms. Carbon inga double bond irukkalam illa inga double bond irukkalam. So this is unsaturated compound. This is another unsaturated compound means that if one or more double bond or triple bond exists between the carbon atom, then the compound is said to be unsaturated compound. What is means double bond? Okay, carbon valency 4. So already one bond irukku. So 3 hydrogen. 1, 2, 3 hydrogen. So here 1, 2, 3 bond irukku. So 3 bond na only 1 hydrogen only 1 hydrogen. So here same 3 1, 2, 3. So indala 1, 2, 3. So 1 hydrogen bond. So inge 1 bond da irukku. So 3 hydrogen. 1, 2, 3. How to write this formula? CH3, CH, double bond CH, bond CH3. That is butene. Okay, butene, 2 butene. CH3, CH double bond, CH bond, CH3. CH3 bond, CH double bond, CH bond, CH3. What is this here? How many carbons? Say 1, 2, triple bond, C bond, C. How many bond here? 1 bond. So 3 hydrogen. 1, 2, 3. How many bond here? 1, 2, 3. So 4. No hydrogen. So 1, 2, 3 for no hydrogen. So here 3 hydrogen. Carbon surrounded by 4 bond. Okay. So what is how to write this? CH3, CH3. Okay. This is 2-butane. YNE, butanes. Okay, this is unsaturated compound. This is the unsaturated compound. Unsaturated compound means that at least a double bond or a triple bond exists between any one of the carbon atoms. So saturated means that carbons connected by single bond.